In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build click and toggle interactions in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, creating interactive elements on your website can significantly enhance the user experience. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's website, the visual website builder that's perfect for custom creations. Just head over to your favorite browser and type in webflow.com. Webflow offers a comprehensive set of tools that makes designing, creating, and managing responsive sites a breeze. Next, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. Simply click on the Login button in the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up. But for today's tutorial, we'll assume you're all set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Webflow dashboard. From here, you can see all your existing projects or create new ones. Today, we'll work with an existing project to demonstrate the click and toggle interactions. Navigate your cursor to the project you'd like to edit and click to open it. Now that your project is loaded, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Interactions tab. This is where all the magic happens. Webflow's Interactions panel allows you to add both simple and complex interactions to your pages, making your website more engaging and dynamic for users. Next, you'll want to select the element on your page that you want to have a click or toggle interaction. Once you have the element selected, click on Element Trigger in the Interactions panel. This tells Webflow that you want to create an interaction that begins with a specific event targeted at this element. Following that, in the list of available triggers, click on Mouse Click, Tap. This trigger will be the foundation of our interaction, starting the action when a user clicks or taps on the element. From here, you'll be guided on-screen by Webflow to set up specific actions and animations that happen when this click event is fired. You can use these tools to show or hide content, change styles, or initiate animations. Be creative and think about how you want users to interact with your web page. Lastly, it's always a good practice to preview your interaction to ensure it's working as intended. Use Webflow's preview function to click through the interaction and check everything looks and behaves as you planned. And there you have it. You've successfully created click and toggle interactions in Webflow. With these skills under your belt, you'll be able to enhance your website's UX, making it more engaging and enjoyable for visitors. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and happy designing!